Friends, I'm back with another video, and this is the same video, the continuation of the email setting video. In this video, I'm going to show you how the email how the email for loan approved and loan rejected is going to be sent, and what are the templates that are configured. So let's start. We all know that we have to go to master setup and the email template. So I have already configured two templates for loan approved and loan rejected. So for loan, now here we put in the variables, okay, and the template is created. So this is for loan approved and this is for loan rejected. Okay, so dear customer, amount, currency, amount of loan, account loan is rejected. Okay, so now let's see. So I have created one loan and it is waiting for me to be approved. Okay, so there's a new request here. So I'm going to just go ahead and change to say approved. Okay, and change status, and it'll say email sent. Now let's see what email is sent. See, loan approved. Dear Raj, amount of so much of loan account is approved. Okay, now say for some reasons I reject this, okay, and I change the status. So it says email sent. Now let's see what email is sent. Okay, so you'll see loan is rejected. So it says loan amount of loan is rejected. So this way, friends, you can create different types of email templates for different types of for different there might be different scenarios when you want to send emails. So you can create, as I said, you can create your own customized templates as well. Now there's one more great feature I want to show you. Like say for example, if I go search a customer, it's a really good feature, and say I go to his passbook and I click on a loan, say 56. Okay, now this feature is how you can send the loan card, the loan agreement, or the loan application via email to your customers. So you already know that you print these, right? You print these templates. So say for example, you have your loan card, okay, and you want to send this loan card in an email to your customer. So here there's a small letter sort of icon that is there. When you press this, okay, it says email sent. Now let's go and see in our email. Okay, here, see, you can see notification, sorry, not this, you can see notification, and you can see your entire loan card sent to the customer. So you can just forward this to your customer. Okay, the same way you can send your loan agreement. Just say email, and email is sent. Now if you look, you can see that your loan agreement can be sent in the form of an email. So friends, this is how emails can be configured. Different types of emails can be sent. Your loan cards, loan agreements, applications can also be sent in emails. So friends, this way email settings are done in Jainam Software. So we are now coming up with more new features and more new updates in Jainam Software. So please do not forget to subscribe our Jainam Software YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great day.